police helicopter.
Our whole neighborhood is blocked off with cops.
It's fucking awesome. It's crazy. We live in Brainerd. It's like we live in South Central now. Let's walk.
Hood.
Keep it hood. Yeah. Let's walk down by the YMCA and see what's going on there. Well, do you think?
Because I have to bring Jenny money.
Okay, I'll walk with you. It's pretty warm today. It's fucking crazy. You're a faggot. What?
You like that monster I left in your room?
Oh yeah, I masturbated on it before I drank it.
Yeah.
If they're looking for anyone, they're looking for fat people with the name Haley. Smells like butt sex in here. You and Dylan got something to tell us, Jake?
No.
Are you lying?
No.
Because I'd sure as hell hate to have to confront you about this later when I check your butthole and see that it's been stretched out.
Why would you be checking my butthole?
I told you those gloves
What are
weren't
you,
used
fucking
for
gay?
What are you, a fucking faggot?
Mega fat.
I told you those gloves weren't meant for tattoo.
How do you feel about the endangered economic status in Brainerd?
It's not endangered or dangerous because there's a bunch of pussies here, so don't let them fool you.
Well, I mean, if someone wants to fight, I'll fight.
Oh, like, I'll bump heads any day, but
Yeah.
I ain't gonna go looking for it.
Yeah.
Unless I'm drunk.
That's the problem with people nowadays, is they want too many fights. There's a person down there just running at the high
I
school.
think he's on a bike.